So already we saw how to edit records, delete records, and add new records, but we'll see how we can easily do with the do CMD. We know that with do CMD is a function and it has lots of public methods. One of it is run SQL. We also know that statement for inserting data in the SQL basic SQL class. I already told you how to enter the values. Okay. Here we'll declare do dim SQL statement as string. This is equal to insert into name of the table. We'll take a small table, for example. Okay, this table doesn't have much records, so we'll try to add in the states table. There are only two columns. One is auto number. Just we need to pass the state. Maybe confusing for you guys. This one's no. Okay, it is having three columns and not much values, and all three are required here. So we'll take departments. Insert into table departments. Then we need to mention the columns, which columns we want to insert, and then next one, then comma, next one. So all the three columns we need to now pass the values in the same fashion. Values. First is department ID is a number and we cannot pass a duplicate value. $106. So we can take 107, it's a number, and second one is a string, and department. Okay. Let us take testing. Then another is a number. What is that? Location ID. Location ID. Okay, location ID will take 2. Okay. First we have declared a SQL statement. Then we have assigned the value to the SQL statement. Now we are executing it. If you don't want to do in such a way, then directly you can copy this and paste it here. It's only one line of code. Okay. Even you can do this way. Let us try to execute it for the first time. You're about to append one rows. Once you click yes, you can't use the undo command to reverse the changes. Are you sure you want to append the selected rows? If you click on yes, your record should be added here. 107 testing and location ID 2. This is the value we passed from here. This we can do in a more professional way. I'll copy all this 3 lines and we'll put this on the module, and I'll declare one public method here, public sub add new record. Okay, now what we'll do is we'll pass the value. We'll pass these values here. But till here it's okay. From here what we'll do is we'll pass the values dynamically. Ampersand int dpt id. Okay, no problem. Okay. By val int department id as integer, then string department as string, and one more is there, by val int location id as, maybe we can take byte because there won't be more than 255 locations, maybe more than that, but right now we'll take byte, and ampersand, then in the double quotes this comma should appear, then again ampersand, then concatenate department, then again concatenate with we need one more comma here, then again ampersand and one more variable is int location id. Okay, I think this part is confusing for you guys. Just I'm concatenating the values. I'm trying to put the code in instead of hard coding. I'm trying to make it a dynamic way of passing the values from even we can make from any table also actually, but right now let us table name is hard coded, but at least we can pass the values from somewhere else. uh, just I want to show one more thing here why we did that. It's not here. Okay. You remember, right, how we put the values here? We pass the numbers, then string, then number. This is how we passed. But when we are doing it dynamically, we need to concatenate. We need to make this part 1 and we need to concatenate the in department ID for passing this number. Then there is a comma here. That's why I'm concatenating the comma again and adding one more field for passing the department. And again we have a comma here which I'm concatenating it. Then we are adding the last variable, and this is the last part to close the bracket. Now let us access this. Maybe we need to take it as add new record is already click is there. Okay, then that's fine. Okay, call name of the method. Before that we need a module name. Module external connections dot add new record, open bracket. Now connect the text boxes here. Instead of employee ID, we'll pass the department ID. Instead of first name, we'll pass department. And instead of last name, we'll pass location ID. Is that confusing for you guys? If it is confusing, then I can create a new form for you guys. Better I'll take a new form. It will be confusing for all of you guys. So let us take a new form for adding departments. Right. Or otherwise, yeah, you can select it from here. This is comment block. This is uncomment. You get this toolbar from view, toolbars, edit. We need to have department ID, and we need to name the text box txt dept ID. Then department, then txt department, then we need one more location ID, txt location ID. Okay, now we need a button for add new record. And here we need to pass the values. So first text box name is txt dptid dot value, comma, txt department dot value, comma, txt location ID dot value. Okay, and we'll write the message box here after inserting. Record added, and here we'll once again we'll write the error handling code. On error, go to error handler, exit sub, then error handler, then message box, error dot description, then error dot clear. On error, resume next. Actually, we don't need this at all. Okay, foreign department. Now let us execute this one. Department ID 108 is not there. Department name, can anyone suggest any departments? Accounts, finance, sales, purchases. Okay. And who is that? Who said that? Okay. The location ID, let us take 15. Let us try for the first time. Syntax error, missing operator in query expression. Human resources. So that code did not work properly. So we need to go back where the code is written. It is written here. And error is here. It is expecting single quotes here. Okay. We are passing right in a single quotes. Yes. That is what it is expecting. Let us try again. Okay. You are about to append one rows. Record added. 108 human resources. But the thing is, every time whenever we are clicking, it is saying that you want to append the record. We want to off that message. What to do? Here, in the beginning of the code itself, mention application dot. I forgot that. No. Raise error. No. Application dot messages. No. Google VBA access application dot. Set option show status bar. Confirm, nothing is here. Nothing. No, not able to. Oh, your voice is breaking. Yeah, this is the default one. Like it is provided by Microsoft, so that's why it's giving a message every time. But this type of messages may come in several places. So at that time, sometimes we have to like let us say we are updating the database every night and nobody is in front of the computer. until we click that message, it's not going to go into the next code. It's not going to execute the next line of code. So when nobody is there, then in that case, what will happen is the whole program will not work. It will wait until a user comes and press a button every time. We don't want to do that. We want to bypass that. Got my point? It's not coming to my mind actually. Used it several times. Okay, set warning false. Application dot set warning false. Thank you. And after our code is executed, just make it true again. I don't think this is working. Set warning is not available. Maybe just warning. No. Let us try, because I don't think it's working. Dot access. Let us see this one. It's warnings. It is used with do CMD, not application. That's why it's not coming. Set warnings false, and here we'll make it true. Okay, this time it did not raise that error. Any department name? Okay, it's no more bothering us. Just we are able to add the record. Same way we can have edit and delete also. Before that, we should do that in here. We'll copy the same method because we need to only make a simple change. Instead of insert, we need to update. Update departments, set department ID is equal to double quotes ampersand int dept ID. Okay. Then we need a comma and also a department is equal to single quote, double quote, ampersand, str department. That str department. Okay. This is little bit difficult, but learn this. Throughout the application, you have to use these concatenations for string and numbers. Practice it several times until you understand, until it comes correctly. Ampersand location ID is equal to ampersand location ID double quotes. Okay. Right, this is the SQL statement, right? Update table, set column is equal to value, column is equal to value, column is equal to value, and we need where condition for updating, otherwise it's going to update all the records. Where I'll copy and paste from here. Okay, now it looks like where department is equal to so and so. I think we need to close the bracket. We did not open the bracket, so we don't need this part. Now let us try this one. Record updated. Okay, we'll update this. We'll make it as proc. Okay, and location ID as 5. Name deducted, because we cannot have the same name. Here we need to make it as update record. Update record. Also, we did not pass the values, and this time we are not going to pass to the add new record. We are going to pass it to update record. And one more thing is, will not change the value of the primary key at any cost. So we should remove this from here. Okay, this part should not come. Syntax, query expression is equal to 5, where department ID is equal to 110. Set department is equal to str% single quote, then single quote is missing. Now it's working. Let us try. 110, it has changed here. So this is the difficult part, I believe, but you guys have to try hard to concatenate different. Sometimes you have to concatenate more than 10 fields. So you have to be very careful with the ampersands, double quotes, single quotes. This is for update. Now one more is there, delete. Delete is very easy. It won't take time. When we click the cmd delete, then first of all we'll ask the ID here, department ID in our input box. So dim dpt ID as integer, dpt ID is equal to input box, then prompt what you want to say, enter department ID for deleting. Then we can also have a title, departments, and close it. If not department ID is equal to 0, then we'll call a method from extcon, which we do not have it right now. And if go back to module, we have add update. Now we'll have we need for deleting the record, and we need this too. Actually, we'll copy everything and we'll make a change in the SQL statement. This SQL statement will be short. Delete from departments where department ID is equal to whatever the department ID will pass, and this message will be record deleted. Rest of the things will be same. Let us try executing this one. So we should expect a input box here. Dot delete record, and it is expecting department ID. Right? We are collecting department ID from the input box in this variable, right? We are passing that variable here. Just we are checking if they have entered the value. Okay. Let us delete department ID 110. Record deleted. So 110 is no more. Let us delete 109 also. Okay, deleted. Okay. So if you make the first one properly, just copy and paste it, and making small changes will work your code. And once you are able to create for one table or one form, the same code you can copy and paste and just make the changes for the table name and column names. Is it easy? Not for everyone. Okay. Like if you don't want in the if you don't want to share that, then just write it in the in the command button. Right. We don't need those arguments. Right. Right. So this is one of the uses of do CMD, but do CMD is a big thing. It's not so simple, or it's not over. It has a lots and lots of methods in it, and one of it is very important. That is exporting the tables and queries. I need that. Functions. do cmd dot export. Do cmd. Navigate. Do cmd dot transfer database. This one we can use. Find record, find it to inquiry, open report, output running, so text transfer database. Yes. Okay. We okay, we'll search it on the Google, otherwise it will consume more time. Do cmd dot transfer database. No, not this one. Bear with me, I'll pull my code. Forgot. So this is why I don't remember, because already have the code and just copy and paste and finish off the work. Okay, here the main thing is transfer spreadsheet is the method in do CMD. Rest of the things are we'll see later. The main thing is do CMD dot transfer spreadsheet, and we want to export a table, and this is the version. Maybe here I think we have to change the version to 12. Let us try. And here is the table name. We need to pass the table name, and here is that which table we want to export, our query, even the query name we can give. And finally, on the computer where you want, this is the location file name. Here what we are saying is wherever this we are executing this file from, that folder plus add expcid is here. It doesn't work because here we need to okay, directly we'll have the file name. We will pass the file name directly. Okay, here we'll give the file name VBA export test. This will be the file name with the date, and we'll save it as .xlsx. Okay, this is the main code, and rest of the things are just to make it work properly, to support the main command. It's very simple. Just do cmd.transfer spreadsheet, and we want to export. Here we can use import also, and this is the version, which version of Excel you want to use. Okay, AC spreadsheet type Excel 12. Okay, so when we use 10, it's earlier versions like 2007 and all. And here we are getting the table name from our code, and this is the file name what we have defined here. Otherwise, simply you can remove this and you can give the physical path directly. I'll make it very simple here. C colon, and need table name. Here we put it on the desktop. Okay, we'll copy this one, and we want in this location, and name of the file will be this one, VBA export test, and we'll have the date, and it will have a extension. Otherwise we can use now. What's wrong here? Okay, Okay, this is the path where we are going to put the file, and this will be the file name. File name starts from here, VBA export test, and it will have a timestamp, and a file extension will be .xlsx. Let us try this. Um, export table cmd export call module, and we need to pass the table name, right? Extension dot export to Excel is the name, and we need to pass table name. And table name again will use the input box. String, and table name is equal to input box, and prompt for entering the table name, name, comma, export data, close the bracket. Okay, let us try. Table name, let us export departments. Table name is correct, right? Failure creating file. So error is here. Let us try with the version 12. Value you entered for the spreadsheet type argument is invalid. Okay. Okay, 10 is not there, that's why. Maybe this should work. Failure creating file. Anybody see anything wrong here? Let us see. See, export. This is right. Then to type select 9. Type Excel 12. Is the file name okay? Let us see. Users Irfan desktop VBA training Jan 2016 VBA export test. Let us try with XLS. And table name, departments, file name, okay. Failure. Let us take the help of Google again. AC export. Oh, this is Access 2007. Transfer spreadsheet AC importer. Then it is expecting a number here. This is from Excel. Seven to CMD type Excel 9. Let us try this one. Instead of 12, let us try with 9. Okay, this is 8. Okay, I'll check this. Like mostly like this should be the problem. Let us try once again. Excel S6. And make it XLS. Okay, I'll see that and I'll show you tomorrow instead of wasting time in the class. But this is something important. It should be working. We have to, whatever may be the version of the MS Access or Excel, we need to have this working because uh, during the project will definitely they'll ask us to transfer the data to Excel file or to PDF file or so many other formats. If file name has field names, it's working here. Windows C colon personal data interview or data from C colon personal data. Interview. Yeah, it came here. It is working from this file. I don't know what has gone wrong, and we copied the same code. It's working fine from here. Just compare these two lines. Maybe this could be the problem. Maybe date. Either of these two things should be a problem. And, let us try once again. Wow. Now it has worked. So actually, date was creating the problem. We used now, and that was creating the issue. See, this is what I told you, like it automatically every week uh, updates data, and sometimes it takes approximately 48 hours. 48 hours depending upon data, and during this process this file won't be accessible, and they should leave their computer locked, but Outlook should be open so that we can send the report. It takes about 48 hours. 48 hours to update this data. Let us export another table. departments, export completed, data sent to file, wherever we wanted, it's coming there now. Yeah, okay, file is here. And here just we'll add one more thing. We'll add the table name instead of this one. Percent, and before that whatever the table name we are passing. Error is here. No. Error is here. Okay. Now we should be able to export any of the table, and we'll have the table name city. Okay, let us pass years. Okay, now we have the city as well as years. These are the only 3 cities in the table, that's why. And these are the years. So, this way we can do a lot with the do CMD. We can quit the database, we can close the form, we can open the form, open the report, close the report. Yes, so many things we can do, and there is a big list here. Try these things. If you are not able to do that, just copy and paste it in the Google search engine and check for the examples. And yeah. Oh, okay, okay. Sure, but you have this file, right? Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. So, mhm. Yeah, subforms are here. We should be in the design mode, first of all, on the main form. Uh, then go to design. It is here, subform. Mhm. Right. Mhm. Okay. Yeah, any questions? Mhm. Okay. And Radhika, you there? I think Radhika is there. Radhika, are you able to hear? Okay, no problem. Like anyway, on Monday I'll give another project. I have to create that either on Monday or Tuesday. I'll give another project, and that is for the uh, financial industry, something like credit cards. So right. Mhm. Okay. Anybody having any questions before winding up the class? Any questions about the project or anything about the previous classes or today's class?
I think they are from work. So they cannot talk. they are in the 5 attentive but no talking. Everybody listening. Okay, so if possible, I don't know. I have Sunday if you do in the night time, because Sunday everybody will be home because Monday is working day. So the Sunday class is possible, just do in the night.
Most likely tomorrow morning's class will be cancelled. Most likely there won't be any class tomorrow morning. Oh.
Okay, just to see that if Sunday class it will, because it's only for this week, so then maybe it will be fine. If you do it the night, that Monday everybody is going to work, I think everybody will be home Sunday night.
Right.
Okay, so that's if possible to it out, if not, okay. So okay, I will try to do my today by your project and create try to make create the table and also send it to you to see that how it could work.
Sure.
Okay, thank you very much. So tomorrow we don't have class?
Mostly we are not going to have the class. I'll send the email maybe in another 30 minutes or so. I'll confirm that.
Sunday we have class.
Excuse me?
Sunday we have class?
Yeah.
At 9:30.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I will try to, if Irfan, if your people is okay with that, night time, like anytime, 7, 8, 9, whatever.
Yeah.
Okay, Irfan, just to see that is everybody okay, so just let me know. Okay?
Sure. Thank you.
Good. Thank you, Baba.
Bye.
Thank you.